Welcome at Maths Form 4. Today's lesson, again, quadratic function. Lesson 3, we continue the notes. It is completing the square for quadratic function when the a is not positive 1. On the previous lesson, I completed the square when the a was positive 1 on the previous lesson. So today we are going to do the example on how to complete the square for quadratic function when the a in front of the x square is not positive 1. And the example is, we are given fx equals to 2x squared plus 6x plus 1. You notice the number in front of x squared is not positive 1. As I said earlier, if the a is not positive 1, we must factorize. So I'm going to factorize these two out, which is fx equals to, take out the 2, I'm going to put a square brackets. Okay, now 2 divided by 2 is 1, so I'm going to get 1x squared plus, I'm going to put back the plus, and then 6 divided by 2, which is 3, put back the x, plus, and then 1 divided by 2 is of course 1 over 2. I'm going to close with the square brackets. We have already finished the factorizing. We are going to complete the square inside the brackets. And this is where we are going to complete the square. Inside here, complete the square. And then we will take the 2 times back inside. So let us do that. Fx equals to 2 put back. Again, the square brackets. If you remember, complete the square on the previous lesson, that it was x squared. You write as x plus, you write back plus. If this was minus, and then you write minus. And then the critical part was the number in front of x, I said divide by 2, which is same as times 1 over 2. So now I'm going to take the 3, I times by 1 over 2. Actually 3 divided by 2, same as times 1 over 2. So 3 times 1 over 2, which I will get 3 over 2. Okay, and then put back the brackets and then the square. And I said, after putting the brackets and the square, outside is always minus. Whether inside plus or minus, outside always minus. Minus what? Minus the 3 over 2 power 2. Which is, put the brackets first. 3 over 2 brackets square. Which means, this 3 over 2 square, I minus back the 3 over 2 square. That's all. And finally, the last number 1 over 2, I put back. Plus 1 over 2. And then close back again. Okay, now we are going to continue inside the brackets, which is fx equals to 2 the square brackets, and then the curly brackets. It was x plus 3 over 2. Again, curly brackets, square. Now, we are going to do this. The 3 over 2 square, which is minus 3 over 2 square, you will get 9 over 4. And finally, the last number, 1 over 2, put back. Again, I close it with the square brackets. The square brackets is important. Now, I'm going to write back the fx together with the 2, with the square brackets and the curly brackets, which was, and then x plus 3 over 2, curly brackets, and then I square. We just have to do this fraction part, that's all. And of course, in your primary school, fraction, denominator must be same. So I'm going to times 2 times 2, which means this will become minus 9 over 4 plus 1 over 2, 2, 2 over 2, 4. Put back again the square brackets. I merely did this normal fraction. So now your fx equals to 2, the square brackets, sorry for that, the square brackets, write back again the curly brackets, that is x plus 3 over 2 square. Now we are going negative 9 over 4 plus 2 over 4. That would be negative 7 over 4. Our work is not complete yet. Our work is not complete yet because, what is it? You hold on. Okay. Because we still have the 2 outside and you have to bring the 2 inside, which means now our fx equals to 2 brackets x plus 3 over 2. Don't forget the square minus 2 I times with 7 over 4. So the 2 and 4 I can cancel. We are left with minus 7 over 2. We have completed the square for the quadratic function. Okay, this later on the next lesson, I will tell you from that complete the square, how to get the minimum and maximum point. See you on the next lesson.